Hey friends, welcome. And today we are going to use this beautiful handcrafted set, the top hat made with gorgeous velvet and lots of beautiful details, and these most adorable ornaments also made with velvet and rich fabric. We are going to decorate a beautiful tree using this handcrafted, beautiful giant bow. These we used to make when I was little. So it brought me back to childhood, and I'm going to put it on the top of my tree. Of course, we're gonna fix it as we go along. To demonstrate, I'm using a 4 feet tree. I'm using 21-inch mesh, simply rolling it in, folding it in half, and creating these nice poofs and curls on both sides just to give my tree a little touch of color and texture and volume. So sporadically put those around the tree. Here comes the beautiful ornaments, handcrafted, velvet fabric, beautiful trimming, lots of gorgeous details. We're gonna just sporadically put them around the tree. You want to pay attention to the placement of your ornaments. Obviously, you want them to be seen. By the way, the hat and the ornaments can be found on my website. The link is below. You could buy them as a set or separately. Now it's time for our beautiful hat. And this one, again, rich with details and lots of beautiful trimming. We're going to place it so that you can definitely see my little accent on my tree. All our attachments come with long wires in the back so that you can attach it to whatever piece you're making, whether it's a wreath, a garland, or a tree, like in this case. If you want the hat just to be a tabletop decor, then just let us know. We're going to add clusters of ornaments that I've made. I'm going to show you in 1 second. So you want to glue the little top part first of all. And then what I simply did is I inserted the ornament into a pipe cleaner and formed a little cluster. You can put more than 3, however you please. We're going to go ahead and add some greenery to my tree. I just glue it in, making sure that I'm not gluing the lighting that is already on the tree. These were too adorable. I have to put them in. They're just simply precious. And I have a few, and I'm sporadically gonna put them on my tree. Also, when you make the tree, friends, keep in mind of where you want to use your tree. Is it gonna be in a corner, or is it gonna be seen all the way around? And that's how you decorate your tree. Mine is like really almost all done because I want it to be seen pretty all around. So we're gonna keep going around, adding more greenery and fixing things as we go along to make sure that all my special elements can be seen. And just keep adding ornaments, and you can make your tree as full or not as you please. I like to keep adding things on. And I'm going to keep adding greenery, and also on top of the bow, I just want to give it a little height and make it look like it's a continuation of my tree. So I just insert, and I use different type of Christmas wintry greenery, not specific to any kind. Next to every one of my trees in my house is always some type of decorated church. This one, gorgeous magnolia one, is also available on my website. You can check the link below, and it's made with just beautiful greenery and just a stunning magnolia. And keep on adding little details to your tree, berries, more ornaments, whatever you like it to be the focal, whatever you want to give attention to. I just really love to put lots of natural elements in my trees. That's how we used to do it when we were little. We used to go out in the fields and pick all sorts of sticks and greeneries and put them in. Of course, we are going to put a little bit of flowers in here as well. So here's my magnolias. I just chose red, and this is the reason why I chose a gold mesh for the base, because I knew that most of my elements were going to be red. So I wanted to have a pop of all the colors in my tree. So again, I'm just inserting my poinsettias in. And of course, to give it a finishing touch, I always like to add some of ribbon tails. In this case, I am using, it's a natural burlap that has a gold trimming around. And all I'm going to do is I'm cutting 18 inches for my ribbon, and I'm making a simple one loop bow and placing it on my tree. And I am going to say that after adding these gold and red berries, my tree is going to be done. I sure hope you enjoyed this. We have a full version of this video on Facebook if you want to see and talk all the details. Don't forget to check all the links below.